Come test drive the 2016 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, rear view camera, power driver seat, tilt steering wheel, touring suspension. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.